common opposites. That's what we are going to take today. So let's get started. يلا بينا. Welcome to a new lesson with Sondos from Salis, your Arabic teacher in Cairo. I'm just would like you guys to remember that this lesson is part 2. Part 1, we talk also about opposites and we talk about words and their opposites before. But that one, it will not be a long lesson, but as usual, it will be simple and easy. But these words is very common, and I think most of you, they are going to think, that's exactly words that I need to know it. Okay? So, first one, which is natural, is طبيعي. طبيعي. Okay? Opposite is artificial, which is صناعي. صناعي. So, طبيعي, opposite, صناعي. For example, الوردة دي طبيعية. لا, هي صناعية. Okay? You know, sometimes you think this flower is natural, and then someone tell you, or you surprised that it's artificial flowers. Okay? So, طبيعي, natural, صناعي, artificial. Okay? External, خارجي, خارجي. Internal, داخلي. And there is خاء. Okay? داخلي. خارجي. Okay? Okay. Next is practical, which is عملي. عملي. I think you hear this many times, this sentence. I mean, you can say this person is practical. So you can say الشخص ده عملي. الشخص ده عملي. Okay? Theoretical, نظري. Practical, عملي. Okay? Okay. And last one, permanent, دائم, and temporary, مؤقت. And yeah, it's hard. Okay, so let's break it this word. Let's break it to simple parts. So you can say مؤقت. 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 Okay? Okay, so this is the end of our lesson. See you next lesson. مع السلامة.